my Jacobsen a couple weeks ago. The stickers came in yesterday. Put them on a couple hours ago. Got my wheel weights on. Probably gonna paint the letters in the same orange we painted the tractor with, so it stands out. I don't have a muffler on it right now, as you can see. We took it off so we could make a new bracket for it. Got a muffler there, and there's the original one. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this one on it, but here's the piece we fabricated. This piping is a little too short, but we just got it on there to see what it looks. And it just bolts on like that. I'm probably going to do my mower deck over there, but I don't have the paint right now. And yeah, that's my Jacobsen right now.